KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Monday, the 19th of November. It's Thanksgiving week. I'm James Spann. Got a chance of showers tonight, otherwise dry through Thanksgiving. Next chance of rain about the time the weekend begins. And of course, the question is, will it rain on the Iron Bowl in Tuscaloosa Saturday? We'll address that. Here's the upper look across the country this morning. Pretty deep trough over the eastern part of Canada. Very cold up there. Down here, a little disturbance over Texas. We'll be swinging through here tonight with a chance of showers, nothing too heavy. 30s and 40s to start the day. Gadsden, 36. Birmingham, 42. We'll expect a high in the low to mid-60s today, with clouds increasing around the nation. There's that cold air in Canada, seeing some minus 30s up there. But around the continental United States, fairly seasonal. There's the watch warning map, a quiet morning for much of the country. And no severe weather expected anytime this week. Today and tonight, maybe some thunder for southeast Texas, South Louisiana, and that's about it. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Look at the rains over California. Great news for them as the pattern changes. Looks awfully wet from Seattle down to San Francisco. Even Los Angeles could see a bit of rain over the next 7 days. And, of course, the east will see some rain at times. In Alabama, about 1 inch between now and Monday morning of next week. And the bulk of that will be late Friday, Friday night, Saturday morning, as you'll see. And the tropics, quiet again. I think we can stick a fork in this year's hurricane season. It ends in about 10 days or so. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run at noon today, troughing over the east. And again, a cold front swings in here. This is noon today. We're dry, but clouds will increase. This is midnight tonight. That front comes through with a batch of showers. And again, I don't think it'll be too heavy, but it certainly will rain a little bit. And then tomorrow, the sky becoming sunny, and it will be cooler. Highs go back in the middle 50s. This is Wednesday, Thanksgiving Eve for Alabama. Beautiful day. We start the day around freezing. The high will be in the mid-50s, cooler than average. But look at that. Much of the country really nice and dry. The exceptions out on the West Coast. Seattle, Portland, San Francisco with rain. A little bit of snow for Buffalo, maybe parts of New England. But again, for the big hubs like Dallas, Fort Worth, Chicago, Atlanta, the weather just quiet as could be. Pretty good traveling weather. Thanksgiving Day looks quiet, awfully cold up in the Northeast. That's a nasty, windy, cold look up there. Boston, New York, that'll be cold for that Thanksgiving Day parade. Some snow in the northwest, and a disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico will likely stay south of here. So Thanksgiving Day looks dry with a high in the upper 50s. We start the day down in the 30s. This is Friday. We're still dry, but the winds veer into the south. And again, a disturbance off to the west with rain over parts of Louisiana. Friday night, wet. A good batch of rain moving in here, maybe even some thunder. Don't expect anything severe. And then by midday Saturday, it's kind of out of here. But just for the fun of it, let's check the European. This is Saturday morning, 6 a.m. And again, a pretty good batch of rain across the state. But by noon, the rain is gone. So both the GFS and the European are in pretty good agreement here, suggesting the rain will be over in time for the Iron Bowl that kicks off at 2:30 in Tuscaloosa Saturday. But understand, we're days away from this, and this could change. But for the moment, looks like the rain will be out of here. And Saturday would be a day with maybe clearing in the afternoon with a high close to 60. Pretty comfortable. Let's go to Sunday. And again, this is suggesting a Clipper-type feature. Could bring a chance of showers on Sunday with a high in the 50s. A little feature coming in from the northwest. Probably not too much moisture, but we'll mention a chance of showers with that. And then Monday, heights are below average over much of the country. That's the reason for the blue. It's a zonal flow and a dry air mass. That looks cool and dry. Let's go at 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, the 28th. Pretty good trough coming down from the north and Again, that looks dry with a feature down in the Gulf of Mexico, but just cool and dry if this verifies. Here are the numbers off the European ensemble. Generally speaking, temperatures are below average. Those numbers look more like January instead of late November, early December, with highs on most days in the 50s and lows on most mornings in the 30s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.